Hi everyone, welcome to Bhartiye products. We have wide varieties of food industry machines, for example encrusting machine, roiling cutting lines, varieties of oven, pizza base making machine and line, and many other machines are available which can enhance the output of your business. We have machines which are multi-purpose and can be customized as per requirements, which leads to cost saving. Features and benefits. Each of our machines is designed to help you make your food preparation process easier and more efficient. For example, our kachori making machine can make up to 1,000 kachoris per hour, saving you a lot of time and effort. Our dough roller can quickly and easily roll out dough to a uniform thickness, making it perfect for making pizzas, pies, and other pastries. And our planetary mixer can mix ingredients to perfection, making it ideal for making cakes, cookies, and other desserts. In addition to being efficient and easy to use, our machines are also made with high-quality materials and construction. Who are our machines for? Our machines are perfect for a variety of businesses and individuals, including restaurants, bakeries, pizza shops, catering companies, home cooks. If you are looking for a way to make your food preparation process easier and more efficient, then our machines are the perfect solution for you. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of our machines and how they can benefit you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.